Did you know that regular website maintenance is crucial for your business success? Just like a car needs regular tune-ups to run smoothly, your website needs consistent updates and checks to ensure it's performing at its best. Think of your website as the digital storefront of your business. If it's outdated, slow, or broken, it can turn away potential customers. Regular website maintenance keeps your site fresh, fast, and functional, thereby attracting more visitors. Website maintenance isn't just about aesthetics, though. It's also about security. Regular updates can patch vulnerabilities, protecting your site and your customers' information from cyber threats. Finally, regular website maintenance can improve your site's search engine ranking. Search engines favor sites that are updated frequently and offer a good user experience. So, by maintaining your site, you're also boosting your visibility online. In conclusion, regular website maintenance is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for any business that wants to succeed online. It keeps your site attractive, secure, and visible, which in turn can drive more traffic and generate more revenue. So, if you're not already doing it, it's time to start. So let Dan, a certified website software specialist, maintain your site and gain peace of mind knowing that your online presence is taken care of by a professional.